Anyway, hello everyone. Another week of game dev. And I don't know, this may end up being a more frequent thing than once a week this month specifically. So, our goal here is to have, so we started this project like last year at the beginning of October. My hopes were to like have it fully done by the end of this October, but that's just not reality. That's not where we're at with the project. We're pretty far along. Okay, this is... Hold on a second, I'm picking a different... Alright. It's a weird upload I picked. Anyway, like... we have a lot of functionality in here. But... we don't really have, like, we, as you guys probably know if you've been watching me do these streams, we've got these 3 rooms and that's it. So, yeah. How do I skip the cutscene? Oh, it's start or enter button. Ooh. One thing I'd like to do as we start building out spaces for the demo here, well, first of all, let's go ahead and... not scenery. Maps, there we go. We'll make a special folder for the demo maps. Maybe we'll end up using some of these later. That also means... I know that, like, somewhere in here... yeah. Okay, so that's strictly just for the maps. I knew I had some hard-coded strings somewhere related to... all that stuff. Oh, right, I should have opened this beforehand. Oh, I don't want to update Notepad++. Leave me be. Don't think we need our notes from Hollow Body any longer. Alright. I need to... we're going to document this on our repository for later usage. I need to, like, break that out into separate pages of documentation, because that's just a better way to do it. But, regardless, for now at least, let's figure out, like, the bare minimum of what we need to make a scene. Test cutscene room. This is both a good and bad example because this one's very bare bones. Like, I think there's stuff in here that you don't even actually... like, certain things would not work that other rooms do that this one doesn't. Okay. I'm gonna type this off screen here. Creating a new room. Required. Optional. So you'll need a camera 3D, because we need that to move around. Oh, that's the big difference in this room. There's just a camera in the scene and not... there's no camera switches, so it's just the one angle. Well, regardless, required. So we need a camera 3D. The name of it does not matter at all, so you can call it whatever you want. Well, actually, before all of that, we should start with these two here. So we need a sub viewport container named root. As only root object, root node. Well, I guess that's redundant, because no matter what, when you have a scene, there's only one root, right? Like, if I were to... I can't, like, make something in player... actually, let's just do it this way. Shoot. I couldn't make this, or even like this, outside of the tree, right? Yeah. That is simply not a thing you can do. You can make a new... Oh no, you can't even. Okay, yeah. Okay. So sub-viewport container named root as the scene root. And then this guy is a sub viewport I think this is part of our routing as well. So, like, things would break if we don't have this named this specifically. These should be the only two things that, like, need a specific name in the scene. I guess the player does too, but you wouldn't... You're gonna use the prefab, so you wouldn't want to... Like, you wouldn't... You're not gonna mess with that. But yeah, no, yeah, it's... Like, you could... Like, you can rename a prefab or a scene that you pull in your scene, but... I don't know. Like, you just shouldn't do that. Why is this one angry? Oh, right. It's got, like, a different thing on it. Other things to do. Set material. Name must be root. Material 2. Oh, show me where this is. Damn you. Thank you. Res, textures, PSX, scene, shader.theoretics. I probably should be in the CC0 thing, right? Oh well. Yeah, otherwise the defaults are good, I think, here. Yeah, there is one thing that I would like to fix, but is not going to get fixed till after we finish this demo. Because it's going to be disruptive for sure. And I mentioned this, I think, last time we were streaming game dev on this game. The menu, so because we have this like filter, this shader that goes over everything, that means all of our menus also have that applied to them. So like even when you're looking at like the options and stuff, it's doing the PS1 filter on it, which is not it's not a showstopper by any means, but it's definitely wrong and should be fixed. Okay, so we need our sub viewport that is called sub viewport specifically. think this doesn't matter, actually. Because I think we grabbed this and resized this specifically with the menu settings. But yeah, get node, viewport. Oh, well, that's weird. Huh. Wait, what is this even for? Oh, weird. That's for managing the notes menu. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we don't actually... I forget how like the changing of resolution stuff works. Okay. Okay. I left myself a note noting that, like, you might not need to change those. I guess handle input locally, we turned that off. We must have done that for a reason. Cool. Do all the scenes do that, though? I'm curious now. Yeah, they sure do. I probably copy-pasted the object. Okay. I think this is a scene in and of itself. Oh, it's not. Okay. Oh, did the door loading scenes? Okay, hold on. I gotta get myself back up to speed here. I feel like the door loading scenes don't have the player, and I don't know if this isn't a Neopets clone? Yeah, it's a Neopets clone. How you doing, Prince? It's my favorite thing to do in Neopets. They didn't die. No. I think tonight we'll get like a main menu set up, as well as other stuff. I ate asada fries. Nice. Hope they were tasty. Ooh. Man, Infinitesimal Prince is huge into Neopet stocks? Hell yeah. What does this thing do? Camera init change. Oh, that just goes there. But also, it's broken. There's no camera spot on it. Oh, there's one there. So it's like duped. Why is that? What's up with that? What's that going there? How am I doing? How am I doing? I'm doing alright. How about you, ZD? It's got a signal on it. What does it do? Okay. Oh, does it? No, that doesn't do that for me, thanks. What? What does this even mean, monitoring? Oh, you can, like, disable it dynamically. Nice. I bet you could do some fancy optimizations with that. I feel like this is definitely just useless. If anything, it's causing confusion because it's got, like, null... Does it... Do I have, like, null handling in here? Oh, I do. Okay, so it's just doing nothing because it's null. It's the new Necrodancer music? No, this is Snowboard Kids 1. Decent guess, though. Alright, well, we need this room info. I guess one other note is... put everything in your... or in the scene under... I guess that's kind of like... It's redundant to mention, like, everything should be under the viewport, or the sub-viewport, because, like, it doesn't... Like, that's how that's supposed to work. It wouldn't be here. Or whatever you're doing wouldn't be up here. We can definitely play around with some of those things I'm not sure of. Exactly one camera 3D. Name not important. I just wrote otherwise default values, but that's not even for there. Okay, I play game, good luck with game dev, thanks. Enjoy your game. What else are we doing here? Oh, I need the room info. Do we grab this by the name room info? I hope we don't. But we probably do. Yeah, we sure do. Darn it. That's enough motivation for me to make that a prefab. Now this is map related, so I guess I could put it there, but also like... could just go with the root as well. I guess map status is at the root. Put it at the root. Oh, and also, I guess, reset these to defaults. Oh yeah, can I do this? Hold on a second. What the hell do we use room name for? Hold on a second. The heck? Get current room name. Oh, it's literally just for the save file. Well, that's silly. I don't know if they need to be sequential or not. I feel like somewhere in my randomizer code there's stuff that gets screwy if I don't, if I don't have like sequential numbers for something, but the room info shouldn't be involved in that because that's mostly, this is primarily used just for like marking the map appropriately. Alright, does that work? Let's find out. Oh, probably need to build since it's C#. Let's see. No description available. Yippee! Can I do this? Godot. C#. Number, no description. description found. Or available, I guess, whatever. C# documentation comments. Here we go. Is it possible to add documentation in the same way with ## on a script? I believe it works nicely in Visual Studio, and I assume other main Okay, it's actually supposed to be like this instead. Hint string, I think, is more so for, like, formatting. Let's see if that does it. Yeah, I think the problem is, UI hint, maybe? UI hint reads like it should be the thing, but, yeah. Every response in this Reddit thread is just them misunderstanding the question. That's a bummer. Script instantiation failed. That's not what I'm looking for. Exported properties. Yeah, that does read like it's not supposed to help, but maybe that's not either. I don't know. Is it this, maybe? Hold on. Might have just found it. Oh wait, this is, yeah, Microsoft System dot... Well, maybe that works through that? Wishful thinking, I suppose? Yeah, that's totally not even in the same domain of things. Category? Man, I would really like to know how to do this, but I don't. Godot. Set description for property. What in the heck? You can even embed... That's crazy. You can embed images in the fucking... Anyway, except none of that's working in C#. Okay, so I don't... Maybe they didn't misunderstand the question, but their advice is just wrong, although it is 2 years ago. However... Oh, no, that's not 2 years ago. When was this one? 7 months ago. But yeah, they're specifically in 4.2, or at least the poster was. Maybe in newer versions it actually works. I don't frickin' know. Oh yeah, 2 days ago. Do you know if it's broken now? This isn't working. Cool. Oh, well, no, the quote shouldn't ruin it, I don't think. Oh, is it like... Hold on, is it like failing to build properly? I don't know what that's about. That might be that weird runtime thing we've been running into. Well, okay, regardless of whether or not dumbass Godot will, like, work with C#. Sorry, I'm just looking salty. I can at least have this in the code, so, like, if you're looking at the code, it'll explain what it does. Yeah, it's just useless. It's really annoying. Okay. Well, whatever. I tried. Well, beyond trying, we have documentation in the code now. It's just a shame the game engine isn't playing nicely with it. Because, okay, yeah, here's the test, right? Like, let's make a little simple GD script. New script. GD script. Oh, wait. That's a good warning to have in there. Like, hey, maybe don't use the same name as like a... Yeah, and of course that works beautifully. Cool. Close that guy. Delete. There we go. I'm like, where the hell is it? Cool. I'm pretty sure we went down this exact rabbit hole last time. I got equally frustrated. But here we are. Whatever. Unless I need another tag in here or something, I'm not really sure. But that's fine. Where the hell did I put this? It's just in the prefab folder, right? I think. Prefabs, room info. Okay. Correct. I think that's all you, like, need to make a room. I guess we can test that.
Perfect.
Yeah, let's... from scratch, we're gonna make a brand new room. These don't have scripts on them, right? They do not. Good. It keeps things relatively simple. Not scenery, scenes, there we go. Oh shit, where did I make that other folder? I made the, demo folder somewhere else. Should also document this stuff for the door loads. Did I need to call it this? I feel like this is gonna cause errors. Wait, do we get additional errors when we load this loading screen? Man. Come on, go through it. No. But I get the same error, like 2 more pop up every time I enter this room specifically. I don't know what's going on with this room. Everything works in it as far as I can tell. But here we are, whatever. It's easy, the room's haunted. True. Oh yeah, of course this is a prefab, it's the scene I'm looking at. So what's up, Gabbo? How's it going? Okay, so we've got our script to do that. What is this thing? Oh. That's just a model that I have used. Are we, like, cheating this thing right now? Oh yeah, we totally are. It's just open. So for creating a door load screen, this should be easy to document, I'm gonna do it real quick. For creating a door load screen, you just need the same subviewport container and subviewport set up as rooms, though name does not, or names do not matter in these scenes. Oh shoot, gamma correction is an object that you have to place on every scene, I think. Or maybe I should be, but I'm not doing it in some of them. Or anywhere. Except for that door scene. What the heck? Well, now I'm just confused. Oh. I think this is specifically just their, well, no, this should not be working. Oh, yeah, this is not firing off at all. Because of the naming. Oh, shit. I'll prove it. Does beg the question of how that happens in other scenes, unless this is like attached to something that's not in this scene, but it's in other scenes. Loaded global settings. Yep, wasn't called there. So is our gamma setting not working then? That's pretty clearly working to me. Alright. I don't know how that works, that's witchcraft, but yeah, that's like I think the gamma's not working on that. Mainly just because this is not called a root. So what does the script do? Gamma correction solo. / gamma correction / gamma rect. Okay. Whew. Okay. So now this should work if I run it after doing that. Old man yawn, how dare you? I'm sleepy. Hey, now it did load gamma settings. Alright, now let's really fuck with our gamma so we can see if that worked or not. Wrong menu. Actually, I think super dark is, well, then I won't be able to see shit. Alright, a little bit of light. Okay. That does appear to be working. Cool, we fixed the thing. Okay. Dude, this fucking version of this song, it's like skipping and it drives me crazy every time I put it on. This is a banger soundtrack though. Okay, door load is... where do you exist? Are we nearing the end? That's like the credits music. Yeah. It's alright, I've already queued up the next thing. Okay, so this, in addition to rotating the door, it will also actually change the scene, so it's in charge of both of those things. So I guess I'll leave a note in the future. This script will probably have parameters to coordinate a specific animation from the doors model, but for now it just needs to be in the scene and the parent to the door if you want it to rotate 90 degrees. Oh, I don't even have these exported. What do I use this for? Okay, yeah. Cleaning stuff up. This is all stuff on the road to getting a full demo ready and out there. Oh, wait, what does it rotate? So it just rotates whatever's under it, right? Is that what we're doing? Oh no, it rotates itself, so you don't even need to have anything under it, it just needs to be there, so I did word this correctly. So here's the required stuff. Optional. A door model. Under the door container node. Note that there is a default no door. Actually, never mind. That's just muddying this nonsense. Need a camera 3D, angled, positioned / angled. At however the door should be viewed. Oh, and then gamma correction, right. Do I have... I do. Wait, but this isn't the same thing. Oh, okay. Yeah. One instance of that. Somewhere under the sub viewport. Or anywhere. And then the light, I mean, that's just all... It's just all up to personal taste. I don't think that needs to be mentioned one way or the other. Oh, yeah. I didn't actually finish typing out the other stuff here. Optional things that you'd probably want in a scene here. Empty node 3Ds. Positioned and angled at all of the camera positions you want in the room. Any number of camera change instances to trigger swapping of cameras. Navigation region 3D. If any AI / cutscenes in the room. This should be the parent to any physical objects in the room. Be a parent to any physical objects in the room. The song is very quiet. Oh man, it jumped us in the middle of the Bomberman 2-hour mix. Oh well, it's fine. Apparently that's where we were last time. Oh yeah. Grid map instance can use test grid map. Or let me give it the full path. Grid map instance for easy tiling. I guess I don't know why I don't have this on screen. I could show you guys. There's some secret. Cool. After creating your scene, you'll also need to update the not prefab enum inside the door to, or for the door load type to be selected. Huh? Oh. Oops. How does it know... Wait. Enter door, change scene to door load type. Oh. Guess that should also go in the notes. Name of try to learn Godot a couple times. I get stopped by the notes, so I'm sure it's good framework, names and patterns, just don't understand it yet. Yeah, it's a little confusing and sometimes frustrating, honestly. Also, what's up? Wait, not Scarce. Sakare Lucas. Welcome on in. Hope I pronounced that right. Also fair. That certainly would be a bit of a roadblock. Yeah, I mean, I've been doing it for like a year now, and I'm still, I don't know, still struggling with it. Right now, though, I'm struggling with my own design. At this point, I've got too much stuff built up, and I've like forgotten how to do certain things, so I'm kind of writing documentation and refreshing my memory so we can start building out stuff for like a demo that we can release by the end of the month. Oh, this is the folk punk streamer? Right on, welcome. Loopy also works. Cool, well, welcome. I see my fiance is, I was gonna say, scamming more people into my stream. I don't know why it's a scam. Gosh. This feels like it might be a tad too loud. I don't know if that actually changed it or not. Whatever. It's good enough. Love to see people coding. Heck yeah. I try to do it every week. Honestly, I'm probably going to be doing it more than once a week. So I really want to get a demo for this out. Just to show off the game. Oh my gosh, a raid. Well, perfect timing. Welcome, raiders. I was just about to show the game off. Get raided, XD. Hello, Zenny Twitch. Thank you again. Thank you. Big Boy Gaming. Or Big Boy Games. I'm terrible. Hope your stream went well. It might still be loading in. Hope everybody's doing well. As you guys can see, we're working on our game here. This is a... What's that? Thank you for the follow, Zena Twitch. As you can see... Oh, I broke something. Cool. What did I break? Can't find area map to room 0. Okay, so our map is actually going off now. Ensure this map has a room info with valid parameters. Oh, shoot. Okay. It's weird that this kind of half broke, but okay, we can fix this, no biggie. Shoot, what did I call this room? It's good, just working on adding stupid stuff. Nice. Heck yeah. Just for Mr. Goon Watch to also add donuts to this game. Good try. 3D grid map, haven't used that in a while. It's very convenient. However, I've only built these like really tiny rooms, so I can't really say how like good it is. I don't know if there's some new tool that all the cool kids are using, but I also only have like 4 tiles on it, so it's not the best example, but that's exactly what we're working on right now. I'm trying to get, oh my god, another raid. Yo, the back-to-back raids. Thank you very much, everybody. It's probably honestly, wait, I didn't finish shouting out Big Boy Gaming, did I? Big Boy Gaming, Big Boy Games. But yo, thank you, the average goob. Welcome on in, everybody. Hope your stream went well as well. And thanks for the follow.
Welcome to the family, son.
Anyway, yeah, I have to wait. Okay, that's so silly that like shoutouts are like, there's like a timeout to them, or not timeout, like I can't shout someone out for like another 15 seconds. But like, it's my channel, why can't I just do whatever? Anyway, what's up everybody? I'm working on a Resident Evil style, like fixed camera angle, very retro game. Right now I just have like test rooms and I'm trying to build out stuff for a demo. A double dab, alright fine. And I also just broke my game, although, oh yeah, it's not broken in here. Cool. So I've got a fair amount of like features, but as you can see, I'm not an artist. So we're trying to build stuff out. Oh man, I need to figure out how to better do positional mapping, because obviously we're not supposed to be like off the map into a different room. Almost rated Big Boy Games, nice. That'd been really funny. Let me a good horror game? Heck yeah. There is a suggest game option. Also, by all means, feel free to just suggest games at me. I put that there because, I don't know, some people, you know, they don't want to sit around and just rattle off games, so like it's a more formalized way of like, yes, it's okay if you recommend games. Right, I gotta name this room. Oh wait, it was on the map. Oh yeah, the other shoutout command works. Thank you, Possum. Anyway, hope both your streams went well. Okay, I called this debug room 1, so we're gonna call it debug room 1. In addition to setting all this stuff up, I'm also kind of documenting like how to set up rooms and stuff so that because everything I'm doing is open source. Like you can go on my GitHub right now and pull, well, everything except what I've done in this stream so far. Yeah, I keep that up to date, but documentation is scarce on there, so it's not the easiest thing to use. So I'm trying to remedy that right now, hashing out some like really rough documentation, and then I'll formalize this later and put it up in the repo. For sure, thank you for the raid. Much appreciated. Oh yeah, so the name of the enum value must be the same as, thank you for the follow. Oh yeah, thank you for the follows, RTN, CDR, Muscleman Development, and the Average Goob. I think I already thanked you, but appreciate people that put their stuff up for free. Yeah, for sure. I mean, I do this, you know, streaming in general, and just this game development I just do as like, I don't know, casual hobby stuff. And I don't really feel like anything I'm making here is like something I should be selling. At the end of the day, you know, it's not gonna look this bad when we finish the game, but like, it's still not gonna look amazing. Again, I'm no artist. And even though I'm going to be getting some help from some artist friends, I'm not going to, like, super polish the hell out of this game. Godot 4.2, the scariest horror. True. Nice, right on, yeah. I am all for just, like, I don't know, sharing code when I have no reason to, like, hold on to it. Obviously, I'm not about to pull up like the code I use at my day job. And then I also, in addition to working full-time and streaming every now and again, where's my game at? I also have, I don't know why this is stuck in beta, that's weird. But yeah, I work on games with some other friends, and we actually have a release called Straylight. But and we're working on a new thing, which actually, some of the new game I might end up streaming my development of it, but that's not what we're doing right now. Main rule is just Bill and Ted. That's honestly, I feel like that should just be the general rule for most most streams. You just gotta vibe. Like, I don't know, don't be an asshole, and you're good to go. I've lost my train of thought entirely. Welcome to my stream, that's what I do best. Okay, oh yeah, so the name of the enum value must be the same as the scene name you created for your door. This means no spaces. There's restricted characters. Cool. Alright. Documentation, I think we're good on that. There's other stuff I want to write little documentations for, like how to use the item spawners and stuff like that, because as it stands right now, so all the pickups, like, oh wait, that's not even a pickup, that's the camera change thing. Because I have, like, difficulty baked into this, I have it set up so you can put different items at different spots on different difficulties. So rather than just have like items there, I have like an item spawner, and then also with the randomizer code that can also affect what comes out of that. So yeah, that's just something I want to get documented so that anyone trying to use my code is not just horribly confused. Making a framework. I kind of am. I'm mainly trying to make a game, but I also want to make it in a way where I can make more stuff off of this and also offer it up if it is somehow useful to people. That'd be good. Goober rated a Gooner. Amazing. Sure, it looks legit. Thanks. Only took us 5 years to finish it. Although, to be fair, this is the silliest thing to say. Like, we were basically done with it in 3 years, but then we ported it to, like, other headsets, and that took 2 whole years. We did some other polished stuff in the meantime. But, yeah, I don't know. A team of 5 people should not make a VR game, is what I learned while making Straylight. Yeah, PlayStation, I can't get into too many details on that front because, like, there are sort of NDA things around, like, being a PlayStation partner, but that definitely, like, put us through the ringer in terms of, like, effort, but it made our game better for it, I think, because we found a lot of, like, random things that weren't optimized that we were able to optimize. Anyway, thank you, Possum. It's my fiance, everyone, for those that don't know. She's here to be my hype man. What was I doing? Oh yeah, we're gonna actually make a scene now. Alright, so we have our 3 test scenes, but screw all that. We're gonna go ahead and make a new one completely from scratch. Just to make sure that the documentation I just wrote is accurate. Scripts, scenes. We'll just call this starting room. These 2, heck yeah. We're a PlayStation employee, let me tell you, it's not any easier as an employee. Also fair. Does this really need to be a feature? The answer, always yes, no matter how unused or silly. Alright, we'll call this starting room. Our root name. I don't know why that's a node 2D, but whatever, we'll just change it. That is the coolest thing that you can do this. Also, it terrifies me. I feel like you shouldn't be able to do this. So we got our sub-viewport container. Just take something that's like a UI element and change it into like a 3D like mesh. A cue ball in space. Nice. This is true. Possum and I are the... It's a dated meme, but the insane shit poster BF, insane shit poster GF. Alright, we've got our room. It's in 2D, there we go. Now it's not. I need a sub-viewport now. This needs a material. PS1 scene shader. This guy needs to be... Oh, actually, I think... No, okay, this can be fine. That can be that, I'm pretty sure. I hope. This needed to be 1900 by... That doesn't seem right. Is that what we used? Aren't most devs required to be in... This is why it works. Yes. It's a feature. Alright, well let's use our handy dandy documentation. Yep, 1900 by 1000. Okay, if they say so. Then we need a room info. Give it an ID. We don't have any doors in our room yet, so we'll just leave that be for now. We need the player. There he is. Oh, you know what else is gonna be weird? I hadn't thought of this. Ideally, I want to have like 2 protagonists you can pick between, just like Resident Evil. I guess I'm getting ahead of myself since I don't even have a full model for one character, let alone 2 of them. But, you know. You might need to, like, hot swap out models or something. That can all happen under the player, I guess. It's weird, though. I don't know. It's definitely, like, a weird solution to the problem. Alright, we're gonna keep this level relatively basic. I'm gonna use the tile set, or the grid map, rather. And we're not gonna have enemies in here, so I'm not gonna bother having a nav mesh. We'll see how well this is aligned. Alright, so I'm floating if I'm there. There, my legs are too, I hate that it does this. I did not enable use snap, it just enabled itself for me. For some reason. Oh, I almost forgot the camera. Oh, that's way too close. It turned it on again, and it's not even on. Like, visibly you can see that use snap is off, but it's snapping. I have to turn it on to make it not snap. Good job, Godot. The Godot's a weird engine. Alright, that'll work for now. We're gonna try to make this look like an actual room at some point. I put no light in here. Dang it. However, everything else is working. The map data is confused because it's still pointing at the other thing, but that's fine. What is the soundtrack? I was just about to look that up myself. So I'm listening to a mix of various Bomberman game music, This is from Bomberman World. I've never played that. I think that's on the PS1, right? Yeah, it is. A lot of banger tracks in the Bomberman series. Sadly, this mix is about to end. However, there may or may not be some repeats of what we just heard, but I'm putting on the Bomberman Hero OST. Not ready to leave Bomberman Zone. Oh snap, is that I think that's the same guy. V-Swed? Yeah. I see someone use Bomberman emotes all the time in like this one stream I watch. It's impressive how many different Bomberman emotes that person has. Otherwise, that was working, though. Forgot about Bomberman, they still make those games? Good question. Oh yeah, they do! Did I buy that? Hold on a second. Can't spell. I did end up buying the new one. Honestly, I don't know why I did. Oh wait, that was last year, okay. They had like a Battle Royale game that was free, and then they, for some reason, even though there was not a huge player base on it, decided to end that free service, and I guess you just get rid of it slowly, but instead of just fully getting rid of it, they put it inside their new release as like a multiplayer mode. So like now it's behind a paywall of buying the new game, which is kind of crappy, but whatever. I think Konami owns, I don't know when they bought Hudson Soft, but get Joeled. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Oh, I didn't even put a light in here. Let's throw some light in here. That'll do for now. Stuff messes with my brain. Nice. YouTube thing I saw, there was a fever dream. It's true, yeah. Bomberman's a fun time. Huge Bomberman fan. Oh, speaking, I'm derailing the hell out of myself, but you know what? That's fine. Whatever. Speaking of Bomberman copies, if this ever loads. Will it load? We shall see. Anyway. Meanwhile, back over here. Better to derail yourself than to rail yourself, I guess. Agree to disagree. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Oh, you know what? We should make new tiles while we're at it here. I wish there was like an easier way to make, like to reuse like a basic square tile and have like different textures under it, but this will also work, I suppose. Just have to go in here and oh, this actually isn't even. Oh god. Okay, so this uses 4. So if we update this, in theory, we should be able to. Wait. Can I not? Oh, right. Okay, I have a scene here, and then I export it as this using the like. What is it? That's not it. Oh shoot. There's like a button somewhere that's just. Convert scene to, yes! No. Dang it. Nope, not that. Anyway, I think this finally loaded. Yeah, actually, fun fact, the game I'm working on right now, I actually derailed this Oh shoot, this has music. Quiet the music. Yeah, so I built a little Bomberman clone which has a level editor. It also has, well, it's only online play currently. It's eventually going to be whatever. But yeah, you can play against other players. It does correctly, like, show winning and losing. Oh yeah, there's power-ups too, but there's no power-ups in this map. Also, the perspective's all screwed because I'm playing an editor, but yeah. Anyway, I'm eventually going to get back to that. Make some single-player content. What are the chances? I know, right? It's almost like I'm obsessed with Bomberman or something. I weirdly learned, like... So we've been marathoning N64 games on this channel as well, and playing through all the Bomberman games, like, I forgot how much I love those games, especially the 3D ones on the N64. But even, like, the Super Nintendo ones are really fun. The NES ones are pretty solid. Choo Choo Rocket? Choo Choo Rocket's great. It's a great game. I actually found the Japan-only N64 Bomberman game, which confusingly is called Bomberman 64, but it's actually a completely different game than what we have in, like, North America known as Bomberman 64. Like, this right here is a 2D game. I found it for $10 at a shop I was at while I was on vacation, so I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna pick that up. How much fun I have Bomberman games? Hell yeah. Whoa, train of thought. Okay, we're adding more tiles. Oh, I need texture for the tile. So, this wooden floor... Oh, okay. I was gonna say, why are there so many pieces to this? It's because if you don't give it the static body 3D, I don't think it, like, has any, like, solidity to it, which is good, because, I mean, you might want tiled things that are not collidable. And then these ones only have one thing because they're actually a scene, but they all have the same thing underneath, yeah. Cool. Okay, well, I don't need it from, like, a model. We were just gonna use, like, a square here. But I need to also go fetch a texture. Hell yeah. Internet name. Or, internet name. Hell yeah, internet name. No. Major Blue Bomber. It's cool. I once had the handle, it's totally unrelated to anything. But I was really into Yu-Gi-Oh! And I was really into I was like 8, for the record. Really into Dragon Ball Z. And I don't know why I liked the card Toon World, but I just put like SSJ Toon World. It's the merge of DBZ and Yu-Gi-Oh! It was way, way back. Oh. CC0 textures. That was a bad idea to do it this way. There we go. Specific website I was looking for, I just couldn't, remember the name of it. Open Game Art. Okay, download this zip. 36 still in the DBZ. Also fair, and I'm not saying I, like, hate DBZ now, I just, probably wouldn't use it in a username. Then again, my username currently is... I'm already fucked, just because... Cheddar Gooning here? Exactly, well, there you go. For the right, if anyone wants some Goon lore here, I did not make my username... It did not mean for it to sound the way that it does. It's actually a callback, again, to another really old thing. I used to play a lot of Melee with my friends back in, like, high school, and there's, like, the 4-letter tag you can put over your name when you're playing Smash Bros. and I thought Goon was a funny word because it just sounds funny to say. So I always use that tag. Honestly, I wasn't a huge like Game & Watch like main, but I did like to use him because he's a silly pick, and my friends got way too into like competitive Melee, and I'm like, I'm just gonna use silly characters. Screw you guys. Goons equals thugs. Yeah, more like that, of just like, you know. Precisely, Goob. Anyway, not that anyone asked, but yeah, that's... that is why my username is Mr. Goon & Watch, not otherwise. Also, my fiance, Possum, had to explain to me what gooning was, and how my username is hilarious because of that, and I'm like, oh shit. Learned about the other version like 2 weeks ago? Yeah, exactly, right? Like... alright, we're making a tile. Let's make that tile. Duplicate. Rock floor. Alright, we're gonna do a couple of these, I think, actually. Came for the game dev, stayed for the random banter. Heck yeah, nerd with dice. Can't confirm, I thought he knew. It's funny, too, because it seems like it's reaching the point where, like, more and more people are knowing what it means, or at least online, because I keep getting, like... every sort of reaction from people, like, your username is terrible, Lamau, or that's an amazing username, and I'm like, ah. Rock on. Okay, I got a couple tiles out of this, and I think I want to use all of them. I've been kind of hoarding stuff in this CC0 folder. That's stuff that I don't make. Possibly to be replaced at a later date, but I don't know, we'll see. At the very least, probably not for the demo. I need to clear out my downloads folder, there's too many meme videos in here. Okay, I think I can just do this. Yeah. Probably shouldn't. I need to organize that at some point, but whatever. Gooning, and we are watching. There you have it. Ground is maybe a good word, but I don't know. I don't know what I want to call this. Thank you for pinning that comment. Awesome. Man, speaking of getting derailed, I was originally going to, like, work on the title screen today, and here we are. Just commit, start referring to your community as Gooners. It could. I feel like that's inevitable. I try to go with the Goon Squad, but that just hasn't stuck. Where the hell is the material at here? It's gotta be on this thing, right? Oh yeah, surface material override. Game dev actually working on what they thought they would work on. It's true. It's the curse. Yeah. Alright, how about rock ground 1? And we'll just do all 4 of them, and then, like, later I can... Honestly, just using them in general is useful. Or it will be useful in the future. Then hopefully, totally, someday I'll draw my own textures and we can use those. He says Goon Knight, it's the worst. Listen, you have only our friends to blame for that. They started saying it, and now here we are. Where the hell do I put... Oh, literally right there. Cool. Why does it still look like that, though? I'm worried that I missed, like, some other... one of the other, mappings. Oh, the ambient occlusion, maybe? I do want nearest map. I forget if this is shader related or not. Well, either way, that is a specific image to the wood. Yeah, I don't want this on here. Oh yeah, turn it off. Goondocks. Goondock. I've actually never seen Goondock Saints. Boondock Saints. I feel like I'd like it. I like crime movies. But I probably also would have liked it a lot more in high school or something. I don't know. Hello, Goon puns my house. Heck yeah. Oh no. Oh no, I changed the whole thing. I think. Ah, crap. Oh wait, no. Keep the 4. Did none of that? Oh, crap, man. This didn't go back. That has no texture. Fuck. Well, that's really bad. Keep looking at the same thing every time. Alright. New plan. Instead of overriding the same material, let's instead make a new material. We'll just make that, I don't know if I have a materials folder. I do. I just want standard material 3D, yeah. Rock ground 1.tres. Tuning the dots. Okay, the albedo. Do that. Normal map. Enabled. Take this. Boom. Perfect. Brand new. Why, hello.
Hi.
What's up?
Do you want this now?
Oh, let's go take a full one, actually.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Got a gamer over.
Mind that discussion of totally legal substances? I mean, it is totally legal. At least where I live. It's not even on screen. I lost the material. Where is it? Okay, so wait, rock ground 1 should be good to go. The question is, can I do this, or will that screw up the other thing? Also, this, like, info is very confusing. Alright, doing the surface material override just a bad idea. You know what? It looks like I didn't screw up the texture this time, so that is good. But rather than override this material, how about we just, in the mesh, give it the material that we just made. I'm a genius. The old jazz cabbage. I don't know what that means. I feel like I'm afraid to ask. Oh. Now I know what it means. Be legal everywhere before long. I hope so. You know, it's really funny. So in my 30-some years of being on this earth, I have not partaken in that until literally like a couple weeks ago. Not for any particular reason. I'm not like against it. Well, obviously, I guess. But I wasn't against it prior to trying it. Just hadn't done it. Then it kind of felt like, why bother doing it? But you know what? Whatever. No! Wait, no, that's all fine. That's all fine. If we're editing the right thing, at least, it's all fine. We got rock round 1, rock round 2. Can't tell if that's... There we go. Yeah, alright, good. Two and 3 are pretty similar, but whatever. Again, just to have like slightly slight variance in tiling, like that's kind of cool. Alright, now I gotta apply them to all these meshes. Do not override. Ah, wait, did this? No way. No way, why? Why did it... Why are these linked? I know I duplicated them, but like, this is just a mesh. Oh my god, no, I know why. It's because this mesh up here is the same instance of, like, thing. Okay. Undo this. That'll undo it for all of them, that's fine. Delete this entirely, make a new one. Box mesh. It's kind of funny how long it took me to figure that out. Also, that's the wrong one. This itself also shouldn't be like an override, but I didn't know what I was doing when this is like the first thing I made for my grid map. I did not know what I was doing. Alright, delete yeah, you know what? While we're at it, just delete all of these. Or I screw up any other global settings for things. Okay. Rock round 1 is good. Let's make rock round 2. Like, for the record, that whole thing makes total, like, perfect sense, but it's also confusing as fuck. Like, when you're just changing something and then totally unrelated object changes along with it. I guess, to be fair, it wouldn't mess that up until I actually export this as a, texture resource, or whatever the heck it's called. Alright, we've got all of these guys now. Now I need to remember how the hell I export this. If anybody knows, by all means, feel free to speak up. Otherwise, I will struggle around this menu till I find it, and probably Google it. Dude, Wherever it is, it's like a really convenient button to press to just like export the scene as a T-Res, whatever that is, mesh library. I feel like it's under here somewhere. Oh, it is. There we go. There might be like a shortcut to doing it as well. Oh god, where do I have these stored? Scenery, which is under prefabs? Yes. Cool. Merge with existing, apply mesh instance transforms. Chat, I'm gonna commit my code really quick because I am very scared that this is going to destroy everything. But I've had trouble exporting these before, like where it just causes a lot of things to go sideways. So we're gonna play it safe. Oh man, I guess I messed with one of the texture settings too. On the wood. I can revisit that later though. It looks like a good change. I don't know. Oh shoot, I want to get that debug code out of there too. Yeah, so get that out of the load gamma. We'll leave the comments that don't work on. I'm still freaking ticked about that, chat. I don't know what tab that was in. But I tried getting highlight text for some of the exports on one of my scripts, and it just doesn't work when you're using C# and Godot. At least not in Godot 4.2. Maybe if I update to the latest, it'll be okay. But I will update this project, but not until after we get the demo done, because I want to get this demo done by the end of the month. It's already like halfway through the month. No need to like cause more chaos than I need to. I don't know what I'm naming this commit. I'll just say adding rock-ground files pre-commit to avoid. Is this tile map or mesh library? Mesh library merge issues. Boom. Committed, pushed, even though I didn't need to push it. Alright, we will try merge with existing. Parameter mesh is null. Okay, I'm gonna go to one of these scenes and see how horribly broken things are now. God damn it. Why did the stairs always go sideways when I do this shit too? So, couple issues here. Alright, don't merge with existing, just overwrite it entirely. Hoping I can just very easily do an undo here. Yeah, that's no good. Meh. But I can do this. Discard changes. Oh, you know what? I might actually need the, Oh, that's really bad. That the undoing the changes didn't even fix it. Oh, you know what, though? Yeah, Godot's fighting with me. One moment. Godot's like, what? You can't just change my file. What are you doing? Please. Please be back to normal. No. No! You shouldn't even have this tile. This makes no sense. Looking at my Git, it does not have like a separate tile for things. Okay, well at least the stairs are back to normal now. Alright, well I'm gonna figure out why this completely screwed up the tiles when I get back, but I'm gonna take a quick break. Also, before I do that though, I just wanna look at my grid map. Yeah, like, what the hell? Why is that like that? Anyway. Be right back. Oop. The stairs are also sideways. Very bizarre. Back. You know, this did happen the last time we updated our tile map, and I forget how I fixed it. Because, like, here's the thing, right? If I place this tile here, I think this will actually show up as a wood tile. No, it doesn't. That's bizarre. That's really bizarre. It's fine, I guess. Anyway, chat, I may or may not have just, ingested a, I don't know why I'm dancing around what it is. I'm just trying to be silly. Just say, a gummy-like candy, which may or may not have contained some sort of substance in it, of illegal nature. So now we're speedrunning to try to get this done before that hits. And then when it hits, we're gonna play games. Also, I totally meant to get grass tiles and I forgot to, so we're gonna do that as well while we're at it. Since we're already breaking everything, I think might as well, right? And here's a grass texture set. Perfect. Same person, so it probably look somewhat similar. Which means we're going to need to do the same exact thing again. But that's okay. I am going to leave these just kind of scattered in the CC0 folder. Be more motivation for me to not leave all this stuff laying out. And trim down all the textures that I don't want to keep long term. You finished the whole game yet? Yeah, it's done. What's up, ZD? How you doing? Cool. As you can see, it's a whole new game now. We got rocky, grassy tile texture. It also isn't texturing properly, or tiling properly, rather. Probably should be concerned about that as well. Whoa. The fun part about it is, it's not intentional. Did not mean to do that. Oopsie. Kind of fun to see textures with like the wrong normal map on them. It's hard to see much detail up here, but alright. Grass 1, Grass 2, Grass 3, Grass 4. Oh wait, just kidding, now we gotta do this side of things too. Tiles. You have to rotate the texture? I might need to do that. That might be the problem. Not really sure. This feels like a horrible way to do this, but whatever. Oh, you know what else might be a good idea? If I take all of these and, like, move them to the bottom, maybe that'll fix the ordering of things. Still, the wood floor has remained the first thing, so I don't know. What is that over there? Oh, right, because we tiled it in Blender when we modeled that hedge. You're right, though. I bet what's happening is that they are not lining up properly with the size of the tile. So I need to either adjust my texture settings or the tile shape. Either one would do the trick. But I need to do that ×8, which I'm not particularly looking forward to. So for now, we'll make it work first, and then we'll adjust things. Although hopefully I don't need to like redo everything. Hot take. Damn, it's a good hot take. I was gonna say that my hot take is that every Resident Evil game is totally fine. I'll say every mainline Resident Evil game is fine. And I will accept that that includes Resident Evil 3 Remake. Said that before. Or more importantly, that it includes Resident Evil 6. Actually, not even fine. They're good. Those are all good games. Now, are some maybe not what people were looking for in a Resident Evil game? Sure. Said that before? Damn. I don't know. I also think it's hilarious that, like, the meme is that, like, Resident Evil 6 is terrible or whatever, but people love Resident Evil 5, and I feel like there's not that big a gap between the two of them. Like, they're both games that are mostly best enjoyed with a friend. Like, they're, like, dumb action stories with monsters in them. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just because you don't have, like, those, like, iconic, like, moments and, like, lines and stuff that are in 5. The UX design's horrid. I don't... You know what? Alright, here's my spicy take. I don't think Resident Evil 5's UI is all that good either. I do agree that the menuing is fucking horrible in 6, but... And actually, I say this a lot about 6, because 6, it has a surprisingly, like, deep, like, control scheme, but it does nothing to explain to you, like, how it works. So you have to basically finish, like, the entire game, which is way too long in my opinion. And then you kind of have it down at that point. I think those are part of the reasons why people are so cold towards 6. Alright. So, there's no going back, like, rollback-wise, but I'm gonna commit again anyway. Add grass tiles. Like, the other option I could do is, we could set it up so that we don't have to, like, have this existing one that we're, like, overwriting. We could make a new one, and then, like, swap over to it. I remember being so pog about 6 before it came out. After playing the beginning, I was so disappointed. I didn't play 6 when it came out, but I had that experience with Operation Raccoon City. I thought that game was going to be like the next Resident Evil Outbreak, which, for those of you that don't know, I freaking love Outbreak and Outbreak File 2. And that game was just kind of like a mediocre, like, cover shooter. Like, passable, but not anything special. Alright, so we're fully overwriting it, and I'm applying the transforms. Let's see if that keeps everything... Okay, things are rotated correctly now. I'll take that. If I have to go repaint each level, it's fine. Let me see if I can, or if, like, the tiles are just perma-fucked now. So I think our mistake was we tried doing merge with existing, and I think that threw off the index of what tile it was looking at. And that's why all the rooms are fucked. But the doors are now, you'll notice... Oh, wait. No, yeah, they're still aligned and everything. Unlike what happened that first time, where everything was, like, off by, like, a half tile. That was, hell yeah. We got there. Okay, no, the problem is way dumber, and I'm a dummy for making this happen. I don't think there's any fixing this at this point, but... Wait, hold on. Ah, shoot. Right, it uses the actual... Man, okay, there is, like, some magic about how the tile import stuff works. And it takes, like... It goes, when you export as mesh library, it will go through, like, each object in your scene. These root nodes don't matter here. In fact, I could take them out. But we're gonna leave them because yeah, the centers are different here. So it would kind of screw things up. Which certainly a fixable problem, but basically, like, it's just going to ignore this other than the transform data. And then it groups by name, and since all of the, like, mesh instances were just mesh instance, that all got fucked. I'm sorry, is this music from Bomberman Hero? It is. Fake dev, it's a really big mesh. That is true, I could make them smaller and then... I kind of size them, you can adjust this, but like, when you're doing the grid map to like paint the tiles of your mesh, or of the meshes that you have, you have to go out, I aligned them so that like, these are like, one apart from each other so I can easily tile them. Now, that's just a button press to change like what the size of each square is, but that's what I did. I don't know. Interesting how it chose a seemingly random one to be the thing that it uses for like, it wasn't the last one, it wasn't the first one. It's probably some, like, hash it creates for, like, each thing in the scene. And it just takes, like, first out of that. And somehow Rock Ground 1 was the winner. Alright. Let's try that again. Silly problem, but whatever. It's fine. Thank you for your contribution towards the Resident Evil mainline long play, marathon, whatever the fuck. What are we at now? 43%. It's almost 50%. Whew. I wonder if that'll get... Well, actually, at the rate we're going, that's going to get filled up before Capcom has the chance to announce the next Resident Evil game. But it would be serendipitous if it happened alongside a new release being announced. It fixed everything! Kind of. The grass isn't looking so good. But hey, this is finally called Wood Floor, and also it just fixed all the old scenes, which I'm very happy about, because I didn't want to go back in and fix those. I probably just wouldn't have fixed them, to be honest. What did I do wrong with these other things, though? Yay! True. Shit. Ah, the override. Why do these even have overrides? Oh, shoot, the other rock tiles probably also have the same overrides. Wait, but does that break the wood floor then? No, because he's a different thing altogether. Okay, good. We got there. Back with Chipotle, welcome back. Enjoy your Chipotle. I haven't had Chipotle in a really long time. Not that I'm, like, dieting or anything. I just never go there. I don't know if this is like a nationwide chain, but there's like a, there's an Indian equivalent of Chipotle, and I freaking love getting that place, and I keep forgetting that they opened one, like, pretty close to me, which is dangerous. The fuck is this song? This at least fits. I'm not surprised to hear this in a Bomberman soundtrack. But it is bizarre. So I fixed it for the first 2 rock rounds, but then the other 2 didn't get fixed, which means all of the grass also got the same override. Well, that's confusing. Price went up again. $21 for a bowl. Ah! That hurts. It has helped me avoid, like, eating too much fast food, because, like, it's pretty ridiculous, like, when I go to, like, Wendy's and spend, like, I don't know if I spent $25 on myself, but for Possum and myself, I'm pretty sure we cracked $30, which is, like, insane for just, like, crappy fast food. Oh yeah, and I guess that's gonna depend wildly based on what part of the country you live in, but... Am I in the greater Seattle area? I am not. Although, weirdly, I just was. I don't know who that was at. Oh. Still no weed fiend tag? I don't know why I keep reading chat backwards. Don't mind me. I do that a lot. I don't know if I exported, so I'm gonna export again. That edible might be kicking in, chat. I mean, gummy of undisclosed, contents. You know, funny you say that. The entire time I was there, I only had Indian food once, and I love Indian food, so I don't know why I didn't have more of that. Okay, tiles are still good. Do I have my other tiles now, and are they properly tiled? Yay, look at that. Textures probably don't line up, but it's working! Yeah. Get a lot of Indian teriyaki, nice. That's true, both ZD and myself were in Seattle recently. We even saw each other. Let's have really good ramen. Oh man, I am so jealous of all the, like, just general Asian cuisine options over there. It's in Seattle too? I know. Crazy, right? Stalking you. Back to our scene that I was trying to make a million years ago. That we've called starting room. Oh god, don't move that thing around, that'll fuck everything up. I don't know what I just did there, but that's okay. Ramen's pretty good here. Just live with, herb. Oh, live in SoCal. I can't read. It said social. Live in social. I'm like, what? What's that mean?
Welcome to the family, son.
Thanks for the follow. Hi, Amy Chowbai. That is super not your username. I'm so sorry. Again, I can't read. Make homemade ramen? Hell yeah. Calling out lurkers? Sorry. Listen, I don't have chat on screen. I don't know what else you would do to, like, be weird about people, like, lurking or whatever. I gotta have some notifications here. Probably update that too. I mean, honestly, when I made that alert, that was already like an ancient thing that happened 10,000 years ago. Summit punching his monitor. And on top of that, I've never even watched Summit. I've watched people stream with Summit. I'm a fake fan. Just know about the memes. No, it works better for like a ground. Oh, this actually would probably be pretty good. I wish this had, maybe this is going to be a thing in the future, I don't know. But I kind of wish this had the same thing that the 2D sprite stuff does in Godot, where you can, like, give it a set of tiles that you want to use, and then, like, give it an area and have it just, like, randomly paint it for you. I fully understand that those two things are not the same, of like that in 3D versus that in 2D. But I want it. These textures are all fucky. I think they might just be doubled, so let's see if I half them, if that like fixes everything. Although if they were just doubled, they wouldn't be off alignment at the seams, because they would... No, wait, yes they would, because it would be half of the thing. Alright, so this is Rock Ground 4. Let's see if we can just target that one and fix it. 3D is the same as 2D, it's just one more. True. Scale, 0.5. Oh, that's for the normal map. I need to do it on both, I think. Oh, okay, that is not... That's crazy. I didn't know I could do that. The values I'm looking for are... Yes. Wrong direction. No, that's still not clean. It does look a lot better, though. Is it? That looks somewhat better. It might be good. Alright. It's cool that I can just fix it here and not have to worry about it. Since all of these textures come from the same person, they should be to the same scale, but that is making an assumption. We'll see how it pans out here. Probably better captures what it's trying to go for there. Hard to ask a long time ago, but what kind of game are you making? Oh yeah, so what I'm making, actually I didn't mean to hit that, but whatever, that's good. That's a better way to show you what I'm making. I'm making like a Resident Evil style, like retro survival horror game. I also need to really cool it with this shader that I have on. It's making like these vertical bars. Yeah, so like right here I've got like codes that you have to enter. Oh shit, Possum, thank you for the 3 gift subs.
Who is the man? That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you, thank you. Also, I realized that was probably super fucking loud. Sorry. That's my bad. Good night, Possum. Love you, babe. Gotta be number 1. Oh, snap. Anyway, yeah. So, you know, tank controls, left is, like, relative to the way the player's facing. What else we got in here? Weapons, enemies. That's my placeholder sound effect for gunshots. There's, like, a map system. It also tracks status of doors, so like now that I've inspected that door and I know that it's locked, I can see it's locked on my thing. Yeah, anyway. That's what we're making. Oh, that was the end of the soundtrack. Panicking!
Family, son.
Give me the Pizza Tower OST. Thank you for the follow, whoever that was. Give me 1 second. There we go. Oh, Nerd with Dice. Thank you, thank you. Alright, here's my little tile I made here. Oh, shit, and thank you for the subscription as well. Much appreciated. Tonight stream is popping off. It's hilarious because I feel like I've gotten nothing done. Oh, Goon in his blessed chat. Ah. Damn it. Didn't mean to do that, but that's okay. You know, we'll have it flare out like that, just for the hell of it. I wish I could, like, line draw, you know? Oh, what the hell was that? Maybe there are other hotkeys to this tile map editor that I didn't realize. Damn it. Is that even? No. Who doesn't love a little Pizza Tower soundtrack? I'm gonna try to make this scene actually more of a place rather than just fucking void that you're in. I need some more models. There are things I think I can make, but I'm not gonna start modeling something right now because I'm not gonna finish it. Oh snap, Ravier! Thank you. I almost typed in ban. Oh my god. Why? Itchy trigger finger there. Welcome on in, Raiders. How's everybody doing? Hope your stream went well, Ravier. Good, good. Nice. So what we're up to tonight, I ruined my entire, like, tile set briefly and then I fixed it randomly. But we're trying to actually build out, like, realistic rooms for our game. Because I'm trying to get a demo done by the end of the month for this. Hey Lance, welcome on in. Everything's going pretty smoothly. But yeah, if you just don't know what I'm working on, I've got a Resident Evil style, like, retro survival horror type stuff. You can see the tank controls we got, limited inventory, note system, a map that updates that currently isn't properly tracking the player's position, but one day I'll get that right. Got cutscene support, which currently this is the only cutscene I have, it's just the player moving automatically, and then it makes this noise, which, you know, in the future will be replaced by dialogue and stuff. Yeah. So that's what's up. And specifically right now, so I think we've already established that this room works. That's what's up. Yeah, I'm also kind of writing documentation both for myself and also just for, like, anyone that might be unfortunate enough to download the source code to this. Just like basic instructions on how to set up scenes and stuff. Oh no, I think the hedges got off-center again. That's going to be minorly troublesome. I forget how to set the, so the floor is 2, but how do I set, like, I want to be able to place this, like, somewhere in between here and there. Although, oh, wait, maybe that is fine, actually. Oh, yeah, no, we are lined up. My mistake. You know what I should do? I should model a, like, in-between hedge so I can, Get that going. Thanks for the follow, Lance. Got lurk rated over here by the average goob. Welcome on in, RGB Production Games. Trying to learn how to use behave in Godot. Interesting. I don't know what that is. Is behave sort of like a other framework thing? Thank you for the follow, the stripy cat. Welcome, welcome. I guess I'll just put some like bricks out here for now. I don't know. I want to have like a gate here. Oh, you know, we don't even need a gate. We can put up our chain link fence that we already have. Oh, behavior tree plugin. Neat. Cool, cool. Well, I will need some kind of fancy door to enter for what we're entering over here. Also might want to change the camera. Oh, you know what? If I change the camera, I won't need to model like any of this stuff. Regarding behave, it's an add-on to build behavior trees. Ah. Thanks again. I hope my chain link fence is the right size for that hole. I guess we're about to find out pretty shortly. This does also still feel very miniature, and maybe I want to consider making this a little bit larger. I don't know. How do I rotate again? Oops. E. Oh, wait, these aren't grid map controls. Okay, here we go, here we go. I guess ADS? There we go. This is better if these meet here. I'll put some more grass down. Trying to line this up with this one. There. So yeah, 3 of these. And then... Oh, wait, shoot. No, not like that. Okay, there we go. It's because it was rotated. That looks fine. No room for improvement whatsoever there. Oh, shoot. There we go. Who gonna do my job for me tomorrow? No, I got my own job to do tomorrow. The job of beating Silent Hill 2 tomorrow. Nice. Learn how to use Godot for my Twitch stream setup, and be honest, I quite like it. There are definitely good things about Godot. I think for the most part I'm probably going to stick with Unity just because I've put a lot of time into like learning how to do advanced stuff in there. But I mean, obviously we're gonna finish this project, so. Also, because it has very easy, transparent Windows support. That, again, yeah, there's a lot of like good stuff. Certainly happy to see it get more built out as well. because there's places that fall short for me personally, which is why I probably won't use this again, at least not for a while. But it's always good that there's more valid options out there, I guess is what I'm trying to get at. How come my fence is not here? Huh. It's in the tiles folder. Once again, it is doing that thing where it has snapped to grid on, even though I didn't have that on. That'll do. I think. Wait, is that... It is partially in the ground. How did snap turn back on, like, in the second I did... Or, like, I didn't even click on anything, it just went there. Alright. Cool. I have no idea what this looks like from the camera angle now. Damn it. Ah. Clicked the wrong thing again. Also slapped my mic by accident. Ooh. Hey, look at that. Oh, okay. For a second I thought I walked out of existence. Honestly, it could do worse for a starter room here. Oh crap, what the hell? I'm gonna make a lighting folder. I don't know how this works at all, actually. Make an environment. Outside. Wait, but that's just a texture? Oh yeah, okay, this does make sense. Okay. Favorite programmed high. I love it. Forget how my code works. Uh-oh. Well, ZD, we're on the path to that. Why does it look different on that side over there? Oh, actually, if I do this, hold on. Okay, does that now suddenly... If I do this, but then go back to select this... Could not be rendering that, potentially, I suppose. That's a pretty obvious thing. No, it's just not taking effect. Custom color? Ah. Holy shit. Also. How do I do, that's what I was looking for. Seeing if I can mess with this to cool effect. Now I need this to be bluer. Perfect. Where's the OnlyFans link? Oh god, that does crazy things with the retro filter, okay. Well, look into that a bit later, I suppose. Let's commit all that stuff and push it. Yep, add the new one. Cool. I think we're gonna switch to games now. Sorry, game dev enjoyers. However, the edible is hit, and I am, what's the branch name? It should be on main. I don't have any branches for anything. If you need a direct link, there you go. Oh, I need to, oh man, I gotta go back and update all the VODs for this to include a link to both the itch page for the game and the GitHub. Man, pushing straight to main. It's not a great feeling where you could just put it straight on main, don't worry about anything. No pull requests, yeah, exactly. Anyway, like I said, we're gonna play some games now. Because I am too high to continue doing game dev. I feel like I got... Alright, we're starting in the right direction. This is the kind of thing, this is the kind of stuff we need. No more demo rooms. I do need to still build out like the main screen and stuff like that, and we'll get to that probably next time, but also just getting levels out there so we have a demo. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. But GG's for now, and yeah, like I said, I might be doing another game dev stream like in the week, rather than just sticking to Sundays as I usually do, because I really want to get this demo done, and it's already halfway through the month. But yeah, let's find some games to play.